Zoom một căn channel Ros Apps. Ngày nay dương mở một to media Javascript bao nhiêu nơi chương sách chẳng trong đơn thạc ngày nay dương miền ở quay vào một hai chu bò bó nơi ngày nay media đại dương từ sắc xa nó cứ riêng score pi ca pra Javascript function với tới function keyword với tới chia k defining a function cái này nó chia code to be executed hay cái này nó đại dương từ call function giờ mà pra we did so we say okay, now we start to writing code maybe all together on the program vehicle. Okay, now I can delete this my statement. Okay. This point I need to show you about JavaScript, how to write JavaScript function. The first, this function in my function I define my function first name, okay, first name, last name, okay, and then I tell you about how to write keyword, this keyword function. Alert with this alert code to be executed. Hello, here, hello, and then we need to subsection first name, and we can add string. We should start add string, last name, okay. And after that, I will explain you about the JavaScript function. We did JavaScript function. It provides function similar to most other scripting in programming language. In the JavaScript function allow you define a block code. This code to be execute, give its own name, and then execute it as many times as you want. Also, we need to call function. How to write call function? We write code like this. My function. My function calls like Ros, okay, in app also, okay. This name my function call. Explain you again. We did JavaScript function allow you to define a block code. We did you can call function a name that execute is as many times as you want. So I call function this 1 and 2. My function example function okay, function and then string JavaScript and add my function, add more my function, we did I call function PO my function 100 score. Okay, score. Okay, and stop S3 score. Okay, score. Okay, now we can run. Yeah, this we did when we run, we saw the result like that. Hello Ros App. This alert hello Ros App, and give it a name and then execute it as many times as you want. Immediate add function more. Next, click OK, will next. Okay, hello function JavaScript and add more. Click OK, will next. Okay, hello 100 score. Okay, immediate I will explain about how to JavaScript function. This point function JavaScript means that define a function, and this point means that code to be executed, and this point is calling here calling a function. Okay, in this point our lesson you need check about JavaScript function. Okay,